Food Budae-jjigae recipe. Introduction. Hello, fellow food lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of Korean comfort food with a savory recipe, Budae-jjigae, a hearty and flavorful stew that originated in South Korea after the Korean War. This dish is known for its unique combination of ingredients, blending the flavors of Korean and American cuisine. Join us as we guide you through each step of creating this comforting Korean classic. Ingredients for Budae-jjigae: 200 grams pork belly slices, 200 grams beef sausage slices, 1/2 cup sliced kimchi, 1/2 cup sliced tofu, 1/2 cup sliced spam or ham, 1/2 cup sliced mushrooms, 12 cup sliced onion, 12 cup sliced green onions, 2 to 3 cups water or broth, 2 tablespoons Korean red chili pepper paste gochujang, 1 tablespoon Korean red chili pepper flakes gochugaru, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt and pepper to taste. Optional ramen noodles. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Let's start by preparing the ingredients for our Budae-jjigae. Slice the pork belly, beef sausage, kimchi, tofu, spam or ham, mushrooms, onion, and green onions. Step 2. Make the soup base. In a pot, combine 2 to 3 cups of water or broth, 2 tablespoons of Korean red chili pepper paste gochujang, 1 tablespoon of Korean red chili pepper flakes gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix the ingredients well to create a flavorful soup base. Step 3. Cook the meat and vegetables. Add the sliced pork belly and beef sausage to the pot. Let them simmer in the soup base for a few minutes until they start to cook. Next, add the sliced kimchi, tofu, spam or ham, mushrooms, and sliced onion to the pot. These ingredients will infuse the stew with their rich flavors. Step 4. Simmer and season. Let the stew simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. This will allow all the ingredients to meld together and develop a delicious harmony of flavors. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper, according to your preference. Step 5. Optional. Add ramen noodles. If you want to make your Budae-jjigae even heartier, you can add ramen noodles to the pot. Simply break the noodles and add them to the stew. Cook them according to the package instructions. Step 6. Garnish and serve. Just before serving, add the sliced green onions to the pot. This will add a touch of freshness and color to the dish. Ladle the Budae-jjigae into individual bowls, making sure each bowl has a generous portion of the flavorful broth, meats, and vegetables. Conclusion. And there you have it, a bowl of delicious and comforting Budae-jjigae, a Korean fusion stew that's packed with flavor and history. This dish perfectly captures the essence of Korean cuisine's adaptability and creativity. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this unique Korean classic. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure.